Namaste. Welcome to this session with Vidya Nahar. Please consult your physician to ensure the suitability of the exercises in the following video for your specific needs. The creators and distributors of this video are not responsible for any injuries or damages caused to you by following the exercises demonstrated in this video. Thank you for your interest. Good luck and best wishes. Please keep up your breath and posture awareness throughout this practice. We are going to do these tubes today. These are good for working the upper body strength, core strength. We are also going to use it for the lower body strength. And we practice it with some yoga kind of balances. At the same time, the movement is like Pilates. It's yoga Pilates fusion. Okay, so starting with our usual warm-ups with the block between your two inner thighs, feet fully planted, eyes closed. Bring your awareness to this place that you are occupying right now. Feel your weight equally distributed to the fronts and backs of your feet, right and left, insides and outsides of your feet. Feel centered, aware, in alignment, in equilibrium. And while there is downward pressure on your feet, keep reaching up through the crown of your head, separating your vertebrae. Feeling taller, spacious on the inside. Notice how the breath is flowing in and out of that inner space. Where it is in the body, if it is in your nose, mouth, throat, chest, abdomen. Feel it in your extremities, toes, fingertips, crown of your head. Inhale, smoothly evolving into exhale. Exhale, smoothly evolving into inhale. If you discover a pause in between, dwell upon it consciously or come back to the even flow of your breath. With this awareness of body and breath, invite your mind to be a part of this practice. Establish the intention of your being here this morning. Maybe you are here to learn something new about yourself or let go of something that has been bothering you. Or reinforce whatever you have been practicing or restore your equilibrium. Test your strengths, challenge your limitations. Spend time with like-minded people, invest time in yourself. Or you are here because your practice allows you to feel focused, strong, flexible, at peace with yourself, with your surroundings, happy, healthy, open to new possibilities. Whatever it is that you are looking for, set it in your own words, make it your own practice and release it. Let it happen at its own pace. Our job is just to practice, let the universe deliver the results. For the eye muscle movements, we'll draw the numbers today. So draw number 1 with your eyes from top to bottom and then draw that same number from bottom to top. So drawing 1 from bottom to top. Draw number 2 from top to bottom and draw it backwards from bottom to top. Move your eyes in all directions, not just visualizing. Draw number 3 from top to bottom and then bottom to top, that same number 3. Draw number 4 with your eyes top to bottom and then bottom to top, that same number 4. Number 5 top to bottom and bottom to top, number 5. Number 6 top to bottom and bottom to top. 7 top to bottom, bottom to top. 8 top to bottom and bottom to top. 9 top to bottom, bottom to top. 10 top to bottom and bottom to top. Then rapidly blink your eyes several times, releasing the tension from eyes, eyebrows, forehead. With your eyes open or closed, slowly turn your head towards your right. Feel the stretch in the left side of your neck. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Remember to breathe. back to the center. Turn your head towards your left, feel the stretch in the right side of your neck. Continue breathing evenly, exhale, stomach in, inhale, relax the stomach. And back to the center. Drop right ear to right shoulder, with right hand pull your head down as you push to the heel of your left palm. Feel the stretch in the left side of your neck. If your eyes are open, look at a point on the ceiling. If your eyes are closed, focus between your two eyebrows. Come back to the center. Drop left ear to left shoulder, with left hand pull your head down as you push to the heel of your right palm. Stretches in the right side of your neck. Continue breathing evenly. Exhale, stomach in, inhale, relax the stomach. Come back to the center. Drop your head behind you, stretches in your throat. Compressing your neck. Exhale, stomach in, inhale, relax the stomach. As you face front, bring your chin down towards your throat. Feel the stretch in the root of your neck. Keep pressing your chin down, massaging your thyroid, shoulders are relaxed. Roll your head up towards your right with your inhale. All the way towards the top, down towards your left with your exhale, releasing the tension from your work, driving, wrong sleeping position. Take it up towards your left with your inhale. If you are feeling this in your chest, upper back, shoulders, know that they are all connected. Come back to the center. Let's do the shoulders. Lift and lower, lift, lower, lift, lower. Lift and roll your shoulders back 3 times. Lift and roll your shoulders forward 3 times, keeping your back upright. Take your arms up and back, full arm circle, stretch through the fingertips, lengthening through your spinal column. Forward rolls 3 times, keep going. Right hand behind you, swimming forward, look back at your arms. Follow your arms with your head, neck and eyes turning back. And go with your backstroke, swimming again, look back, turn back. Stabilize the rest of the body, just the arms and shoulders. Then facing front, palms facing down, reach out with your inhale, in with your exhale. Big circular motion, apart, together. Go the other way, inhale out, exhale in. Keep going. Inhale, open, exhale in. Now palms facing the sky. Out with your inhale, in with your exhale. Activating your shoulders in all 3 directions. Go the other way. Inhale, open, exhale in. Apart, together. One last time. Hands to your shoulders, elbow circles. Exhale together, inhale apart, together, apart, together, apart. And the other way, inhale, open, exhale in. Let your elbows kiss each other and go away. Now elbows, forearms, palms together. Lift with your inhale, lower to the sides with your exhale. Again, stretch all the way through your fingertips. One more time. Inhale, lift, exhale, lower. Go the other way, out to the side, down in the front. Inhale, lift, exhale, lower. One last time, up, down. Bring your arms to the front, open to the sides. Inhale, exhale, center. Making it a big T, out in line with your shoulders. Center, one more time. Inhale, open. Roll them back at the shoulder level and forward. External rotation, internal rotation. One more time. Back, forward. Take your hands behind you, tightening your upper back, opening your chest. Continue breathing. Exhale, stomach in. Inhale, relax the stomach. Then bring your arms to the front. Keep them parallel to each other. Draw your shoulders back, forward, retract, protract. Pull back, forward, arms up, lift, lower, lift, lower, lift. Then take them back, forward, forward. One more time, back, palms together, bend at your elbows and extend, stretching your triceps, bend. extend one last time, bend, extend, interlace your fingers, add this deep back bend, keep reaching up and back. Then you add a forward fold with your exhale, hinging at your hips, legs are straight, feet parallel to each other. Take your arms to the right upper corner, inhale, right back corner, exhale, left front, inhale, left back, exhale, left front, inhale, left down, exhale, finish it to the center, reverse, left upper corner, inhale, left back, exhale, right front, inhale, right back, exhale, right front, inhale, right down, exhale, coming back to the center. Now with your left hand, hold on that right wrist, take it to the left side as you feel the stretch in the right side of your body. While you're still holding on, so take it to the left side as you're stretching the right side. And while your weight is on that left leg, lift up your right foot and inch off the floor. You're still holding on to the block, activating your left leg. As you come up to the standing position, bend your right knee in the back and reach for your right foot with your right hand. Hold it there, breathe, keep stretching your left hand up, standing tall, so you're activating inner thighs also, holding that block. Now same right leg, bring it towards the front, hands to your heart, hold it, breathe. And lower your right foot to the floor with your right hand, pull on your left wrist. Look towards the ceiling to the left side. I am doing a mirroring. So you'll all go down to the right. Shift your weight to the right leg and lift your left an inch or two off the floor. So again, awakening those legs, activating the legs with the single leg balances. Come up tall standing and with your left hand reaching towards your left foot, bend that left knee. Still holding the block, keep reaching up with your right hand. And you may find one side to be different than the other. Just notice, observe. Extend your left leg to the front, hands to your heart, and hold this balance. Breathe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left foot down and simply open your arms. Inhale. Bend your knees, round your back. Exhale, hug in the front. Inhale as you open, so again warming up that spinal column. Exhale, round your back, draw the stomach in. One last time, inhale, open, and exhale, round your back, bend your knees, hug in the front. Now right here, both arms up into this chair pose. Put your weight back, stretch your elbows. If you're not able to see your toes with your knees protruding in the front, sit back. You should be able to see your toes. At the same time, back is straight. Keep reaching with your elbows. If your elbows are bending like this, extend. Reach through your elbows. I see some bent elbows. Stretch out, reach out all the way. Yes, breathe. Then bring your hands to your knees and knee circles. 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. Go the other way. 3, 2, 1. You're going to just add a simple twist. Both hands towards your right side. Look to the right side. Hold this squat and twist combined. Both hands to the left side. Right elbow digging into this left outer thigh. Bring both hands to the floor. Stretch your legs. Block to the floor. If your hands are not on the block, you may also keep them by your shins, or if your body allows you, reach deeper towards the floor. Or you may make the block stand up, whichever feels right for you. Now raise your right arm towards the ceiling, look at your right arm. So your left hand may be on the block or on the floor, you decide. Right hand to the block or to the floor, left arm up, look at your left arm. Bring your left hand down to the floor. And now reach for your tube and you slide this tube underneath the arches of your feet. So everybody has one hander of the tube in one hand. Tube is under the arches of your feet, and add a side to side twist to your right to your left, to your right, to your left. Slowly start coming up. Like a ragdoll, slowly straightening up, twisting right and left. Now at any point this tube gets too much, you can do it just the arm, just the body. You don't have to use the tube. If you want to drop the tube for a particular set, that's fine. So now keep your elbows glued to the rib cage. When we bend the elbows, don't lift your elbows. Don't let your elbows travel. Elbows by the rib cage, and you just bend and extend, working the biceps in the first set. Also minimize this kind of rocking move in the body. So when you are lifting the tube, if you have to rock your body, if you have to give in your back, then it is too much, and it's okay to do only half move or just drop the tube. So keep your palms facing the front. Now see if you can keep your thumbs aligned with your other four fingers. So instead of looping your thumb on the top, this is how we usually hold handles, but bring your thumb on the outside of that handle so that it's aligned with your other four fingers. Okay, 2 counts up, 2 counts down. So it's up, up, down, down. 2 counts lift, 2 counts down. Up, up, down, down. I see some elbows moving. Up, up. Keep your elbows glued to the rib cage. Now 1 up, 3 down. Up, down, down. If your elbows are coming away from your rib cage, press them down. Up, down, down, down. 1 up, 3 down. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. 3 up and down. Up, up, 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 up and down. Singles. 4 down, 3 down, 2 down. Stabilize the rest of the body. 1 down and shake it out. Take a break. So now again, thumbs with your other 4 fingers. Turn your palms facing the back wall. We're going to bring the hands up to the shoulders. So like this. 2 counts lift, 2 counts lower. Up, up, down, down. 2 counts lift, 2 counts lower. Up, up, down, down. 1 up, 3 down. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down. Working those deltoids. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. 3 up and down. Up, up, up and breathe. Up, up, up and down. Up, up, up and down. Up, up, up and down. Singles. 4 down, 3 down, 2 down. Very last time, down. Alright, shake it out. So now we're going to do the triceps. Bring your handles by the rib cage. Again, thumbs with your other 4 fingers. Keep your elbows closing in on your body. So don't let your elbows flare out. Keep them closed. And we're going to extend the arms in the back. So I'll show you from the side. Like this. 2 counts push, 2 counts bend. 2 counts press in the back and 2 counts pull. Keep your elbows by the rib cage. Don't let your elbows flare out. You're going to take those arms back. 2 counts press in the back. 2 counts by the rib cage. 2 counts back. 2 counts front. Your palms are facing down, not up. Now 1 back, 3 forward. Back, forward, forward, forward. Back, forward, forward, forward. Back, forward, forward, forward. Press, pull, pull, pull. 3 back, 1 forward. Back, back, back. And in. Push, push, push and pull. Back, back, back and in. Press, press, press and pull. Singles. 4, pull. 3, press them back in without moving your whole body. 2, Just the arms, pull. One last time, back and pull. Alright, so now drop the left end of your tube down and pull the right end of your tube out. So you have about 6 to 8 inches of the tube out on the left side. If you want, you can also stand all the way to the edge so that it is easy. So you can make this tube harder or easy by increasing or shortening the length of this tube. If you stay more towards the center or towards the right end, it's going to be challenging. Decide if you want to make it easy or challenging, and you can always change it in the middle of the set also. So stand tall, again right thumb aligned with your other 4 fingers, so that keeps the wrist neutral instead of looping your thumb around the handle. Keep your thumb with your other 4 fingers. Again, right arm fully extended. Minimize this kind of movement in the body. You stand still and just work that shoulder. Working again deltoids, 2 counts up, 2 counts down, 2 counts lift, 2 counts lower, straight arm, 2 counts up, 2 counts down, palm facing down, 2 counts lift, 2 counts down, 1 up, 3 down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Remember to make it easy, scoot to the left side, up, down, down. To make it harder, scoot to the right, 3 up and down, up, up, up and down, up, up, straight arm down, straight arm up, up, up. Your palm is facing down, not up, 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 up and down. Singles, 4, down, 3. If it is too challenging, scoot to the left side on your tube, 2. And one last time. Alright, shake it out. Now you stand in the same position but hold the handle with your left hand. And again thumb aligned with your other 4 fingers. We're going to take it diagonally across. So to the shoulder and ceiling with your left hand. Shoulder and your right hip. Your palm is facing down. Shoulder, ceiling with your left hand. Shoulder to your right hip, opposite hip. Up, up, down, down. 2 counts, lift. 2 counts, down. 1 up, 3 down. Up, down, down, down. Ceiling, elbow, shoulder, opposite hip. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. 3 up and down. Up, up, up and down. Up, up. Breathe and down. Up, up, up and down. Up, up, up and down. Singles, 4, down, 3, down. If it is too much, do halfway, 2. You don't have to go all the way if you're struggling with this. 1 up and down. Shake it out. Okay, now again handle in your right hand. Bring your right hand to the front this time. We did this side arm. We did this diagonal move. Now we're going to bring the right arm straight in the front. So if you want a break for a set or 2, you can just do the arm and drop the tube if it's okay. Alright, right arm extended in the front, so not to the side, straight in front of you. 2 counts lift, 2 counts lower. Up, up, down, down. Straight arm, up, up, down. Breathe in front of you, up, up, down, down. 1 up, 3 down. Up, down, down, breathe. Straight arm, down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. 3 up and down. Up, up, 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 up and down. Singles, 4, down. 3, remember it's okay to scoot to the left side to make it easy. 2, down. And one last time, down. That's it. Drop the right end, pick up the left end of your tube. Stand about the same distance on this side of the tube, so you have similar tube remaining on the side, and you work with the similar tension with the left hand. You can always change it. Scooting to the right will make it easy. Scooting to the left on your tube will make it more challenging. You decide. Keep your left arm fully extended. Minimize this kind of move. If you find yourself struggling that your whole body has to move, that means either the tube is too heavy, with the tension is a lot. So you scoot to the right or make your movement smaller. It's okay. But don't give in your back or your core muscles. So keep engaging your core. 2 counts up, 2 counts down. Up, up, down, down. Straight arm. Up, up, down, down. Your palm is facing down. Up, up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. 1 up, 3 down. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down. Keep your elbows straight. Up, down, down, down. Palm facing down. Yes. Up, down, down, down. 3 up and down. Up, up, up and down. Drop the tube if it is too much. Up, up, up and down. Just through the arms. Up, up, up and down. Up, up, up and down. Singles. 4 down. 3 down. It's okay to take a break. 2 down. 1 last time. Down. Alright, shake it out. So hold this handle with your right hand now, and we're going to make this diagonal move. So again, thumb with your other 4 fingers. If you want to make a half move, you can just do up to here. You don't have to go with straight arm all the way up. Similarly, with your hands up here, just go up to the shoulder. If it's going up is too much, it's okay to modify. So take it to the right side now. Up, up, down, down. 2 counts lift, 2 counts lower. Up, up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. 1 up, 3 down. Up, down, down. Keep the body steady. Ceiling, shoulder, elbow, hip. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. 3 up and down. Up, up, up and breathe. Up, up, up and down. Up, up, up and down. Up, up, up and down. Singles. 4 down. 3 down. Sailing to the opposite hip. Up, down, and last time down. Now take the handle in your left hand. Keep standing tall. It's okay to drop the tube just to the arms if you need to. Straight arm to the front. 2 counts lift, 2 counts lower. Rest of the body steady. Up, up, down, down. 2 counts up, 2 counts down. Up, up, down, down. 1 up, 3 down. Up, down, down. Breathe. Straight arm up. Up, down, down, down. Up. When you bring your arm up, don't rotate it inward. Straight up. Down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. 3 up and down. Up, up, up and down. Up, up. Straight arm down. Up, up, up and down. Up, up, up and down. Singles. 4 down. 3 down. 2 straight in front of you. Down. And 1 last time. Down. Alright, shake it out. We did a lot of upper body. Let's do some lower body. So again, take 1 handle in each hand. Remove the tube from your feet first. And then you place your right foot on the tube. So the tube should be under the arch of your foot and not under your toes. It should feel that it's secure under that arch of the foot. And now cross your handles like this. So you simply switch your handles, hold them in the opposite hands. Now bring your left foot in front of the X through the X. So it should come over this X here. Once your left foot is on the floor, bring your handles either by the hips, which is the easiest version, or you may bring them by your shoulders or away from your shoulders. So by shoulders is medium, away from your shoulders is the hardest. So you can choose to keep your handles here by your shoulders or away. Shift your weight to the left leg, bend the right knee in the back like this. 2 counts, lift, 2 counts, extend from the side. It will look like this. Bend, up, flex it, down. 2 counts, lift, 2 counts, lower, point, lift, flex it, down. 1 up, 3 down. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. 3 up and down. Up, up, up and down. Up, up, up and down. So your left leg is doing the yoga, right leg is Pilates. Up, up, up and down. Up, up, up and down. Singles. 4 down. 3 down. 2 down. Very last time, down. Alright, remove this tube. So even the right leg was moving, left leg was working more. I'm feeling in that left glute now. Now shift your weight so that your left foot is on the tube. And again make that X. Step your right foot in front of the X through the X. Bring your handles either by your hips or by your shoulders or away from your shoulders, depending on how easy or hard you want it. Shift your weight to the right leg and bring the left knee up in the back like this. Bend it up. Point, lift, flex it, lower. Point, up, flex it, down. If your knee is coming to the front, take it back. Point, lift, flex it, down, up, up. Lower right leg is the working leg. 1 up, 3 down. Up, down, down. So right leg is working against gravity. Up, down. Left leg is working against the resistance. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. 3 up and down. Up, up, up and breathe. Up, up, up and down. Up, up, up and down, up, up, up and down. Singles. 4 down, 3 down, 2 down. Last time, down. Alright, remove this tube. So one more time, place the right foot on the center of the tube and make your X. You switch those handles. This time simply interlace your fingers through the handles and bring your both handles to the left rib cage. Keep the body as straight as you can, and we're going to bring the right leg up to the right side. So before that, both hands interlace through the handles to the left rib cage. Both handles to the left rib cage, remain steady. Shift your weight to the left leg, right leg goes up to the right side. 2 counts, lift, 2 counts, lower. Up, up, down. Don't move your hand, just the leg. Up, lift, down, down, up, up, down, down. 1 up, 3 down. Up, down, down, breathe. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. 3 up and down. Up, up, 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 up and down. Singles. 4 down, 3 down, 2, down, very last time, down. Alright, let it go. So those are lateral hip moves. Switch side, this time it's your left foot on the tube and make your X. So your weight is going to be on the right leg. Interlace your fingers after you cross your handles and bring your both handles to the right rib cage. So again, keep the rest of the body steady. If you have to move your hands or if you're moving your whole body, that means you're not engaging your core. You stabilize your body and then just move the left leg to the side. 2 counts up, 2 counts down. Up, up, down, down. Keep the handles to the right rib cage, hands to the right rib cage, pull to the right side. 2 counts lift, 2 counts lower. Up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. 1 up, 3 down. Up, down, down, breathe. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. 3 up and down. Up, up, 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 up and down. Singles. 4, down. 3, down. 2, down. And very last time, down. Nice. Remove this tube. So hold this tube like this, double. Make it double. And if that feels too much, you can always make it single. Single is going to be easier, double is going to be doubly challenging. And we're going to add lunges to this. So I'm going to do same as you. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see my right leg going back like this. So everybody bring your right leg back. You can face me, you can see this, so you don't have to be sideways. I'm turning sideways so you can see what's happening with my back leg. And with your right heel up. So keep the right heel up the whole time. Left knee remains bent the whole time. What we are going to do is pull on to this tube like this. And when you pull on to the tube, you drop this right knee in the back like this. And when you extend the right knee, you just straighten the knee without going back and forth on this left leg. Left leg remains bent the whole time. So this is how it's going to be. You pull onto the tube. 2 counts, pull. 2 counts, come up. Just the right knee is extending. Keep the left knee bent. 2 counts, open. 2 counts, up. Pull to the side. 2 counts, out. 2 counts, in. 2 counts, open. 2 counts, in. 1 out, 3 in. Out, in, in, in. Out, in, in, in. Out, in, in, out, in, 3 out, 1 in. Out, out, out and in. Out, out, out and in. Remember, not going back and forth, down and up. Out, out, out and in. Out, out, out and in. Singles. 4, up. 3, up. 2, up. And last time, up. That's it. Bring that right leg forward, shake it out. So that was work for your upper body and your lower body. Breathe. Switching sides. So now it's your left leg back. And again, both arms to the front. If holding your tube double is too much, you can hold it single. Remember to modify as you need it. So again, left heel is up in the back, right foot to the front, bend the right knee. 2 counts, open. 2 counts, in. 2 counts, drop the back knee. 2 counts, up. Pull, out. Bring it in, out, out, in. 1 out, 3 in. Out, in. Out, in. Out, in, in, out, in, in. 3 out, 1 in, out, and in, out, and in, out, and in, out, and in. Singles, 4, up, 3, up, 2, up, last time, up, and that's it. Shake it out, breathe. So now open your tube on the mat and we're going to sit on the tube. Just like this, sitting cross-legged. With your handles to each side, extend your arms. This time your palms turn towards the ceiling. And again keep your thumbs with your other 4 fingers. And we're going to bring the arms up like this. 2 counts up, 2 counts down. Up, down, down. 2 counts lift, 2 counts lower, up, down, down. 1 up, 3 down. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. 3 up and down. Up, and down. Up, and down. Up, and down. Up, and down. Singles, 4. Remember, it's okay to bring it halfway up. 3, 2, and last time. Alright, I know it is challenging. Everybody's sweating. Alright, switch sides. So bring the inside leg out. And now bring your handles, your tubes behind you. Elbows closing on your ears. So we're going to do triceps. Again, it's okay to do just one hand at a time if you don't want to do both hands. Or go halfway. This is going to be challenging again. Elbows by the ears. 2 counts lift. 2 counts bend at your elbows. Do it single arm if needed. Up, down, down. 2 counts extend. 2 counts bend. 2 counts lift. 2 counts bend. 1 up, 3 down. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. 3 up and down. Up, and down. Up, and down. Up, and down. Up, and down. Singles, 4, down, 3, down, 2, down. Just to the arms, it's okay to drop the tube. 1, and down, and take your break. Remember, if the tube is too much, you can still do the arms. Just drop this tube and you can still do the arms. It's okay. Okay, so now remove this tube from underneath and bring your feet in the front like this. And we're going to simply open this tube to the side like this. So again, you can just do the arms without actually holding on to the tube. Okay, so hold on to the tube or make it optional. And take it out as you lean back and bring it front. 2 counts open, 2 counts front. Keep the back straight. Open your arms to the sides like this. Open and bring it in. 2 counts open, 2 counts in. 1 out, 3 in. Out, in, in. Out, in. Open your arms. Out, in. Out, in. 3 out, 1 in. out, out, out and in, out, out, out and in, out, out, out and in, out, out, out and in. Singles, 4 and in, 3 in, 2. Remember, open to the side without bending your elbows. One last time. Alright, take your break. So now this time, take these 2 handles and place them over this middle portion of the tube and then bring it towards you. So you have a loop around each foot, over and under. The handles go through this middle part of here like this. So if my handles are here right now, like this, I take these handles and place them over this middle portion of the tube and bring them under. So you should have a loop, one loop around each foot. Keep the back straight and again elbows by the rib cage. I'm going to show you this from the side. So don't extend your arms like this and don't go back and forth. You keep the elbows by the rib cage. The only movement is going to be from your wrist to your elbow. Wrist comes to the rib cage, elbow comes to the rib cage. Not moving the whole body and not extending the arm. So keep the back straight, elbows by the rib cage, sit up tall and just pull your elbows back to your handles to the rib cage and forward, elbow to the rib cage. That's it. 2 counts pull, 2 counts release. So working your upper back muscles. 2 counts back, 2 counts forward, 2 counts pull, 2 counts forward. 1 back, 3 forward. Pull, let go. Pull, let go. Back, forward, forward, forward. Back, don't extend the arms, forward, forward, elbows by the rib cage, that's all. 3 back, 1 forward, back, back, back and forward. Working your upper back muscles, back, back, back and forward. Your rhomboids and trapezoids, back, back, back and forward, back, back, back and forward. Singles, 4 and forward, 3 forward, 2 forward and last time forward. Alright, take your break. Remove these handles from the center. I'll show you one more time facing you. This time place this tube around your right foot. Only around your right foot. Make an X around your right foot. And bring your handles by your hips. We're going to do a seated leg lift here. So your tube should be crossed around that right foot. Lift your right leg. Take it higher, lower, side, center. Up, down, working those quads, center. Up, down, side, center. Up, down, side, center. From here, go down on your left side. And you have your right leg still in this tube and we're going to do the adductors, abductors, inner thighs, outer thighs. Place your left shoulder over the elbow. That means don't sink over it like this. Don't let your elbow come in and shoulder going out. Keep them in straight line. Interlace your fingers to the handles. Legs in straight line with your hips. Top leg going up. Point, lift, flex it, lower. Point, up, follow your big toe, flex it, down. Point, up, flex it, down, up, down, down. 1 up, 3 down. Point, flex, down, down. Up, down, down, down. Point, flex, down, down. Up, down, down. Down, 3 up and down, up and down. Point, point, point and flex. Up and down. Up and down. Singles, point, and flex, straighten that right leg, point, don't let it bend, flex, look at your right knee, point, if you're bending that leg, keep it straight, flex it down, one more, point up, flex down, now bring your right leg behind you, point, back, flex it, center, straight leg back, point, back, so working your hamstrings, your glutes, point, back, flex it, center, 2 counts, back, 2 counts, front, now 1 back, 3 forward, back, forward, 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 point, flex, front, front, back, forward, 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 back, forward, forward, 3 back, 1 forward, back, back, back and forward, point, point, point and flex, back, back, back and forward, back, back, back and forward, singles, point, flex, point, remember it's okay, just do the legs, you don't have to have the tube, point, flex, and last time, that's it, come up to the sitting position, let's do the other leg, so left foot in that loop of the tube, you have this X around your left foot, keep your back upright, and we're going to do the left leg, it's okay to drop the tube and just do the leg, so lift your left leg up, down, side, center, up, down, working your left quad, left hip flexor, center, up, down, keep your shoulders relaxed, don't dig your neck in the shoulders, up, down, side, center, now take it down to the right side, and interlacing your fingers through your handles, legs are straight out, your right shoulder over the elbow, keep the body as straight as you can, taking your left leg up, point, lift, flex it, lower, keep pulling your handles to the right side, point, lift, flex it, lower, again this pointing and flexing is important, point, lift, straighten that left leg, flex it, down, handles to the floor, point, lift, flex it, down, 1 up, 3 down, up, down, don't let your hands come up, point, flex, down, straighten this left leg, left knee, point, flex, down, down, even if you can bring it halfway, that's okay, point, flex, but keep it straight, down, now 3 up and down, point, point, point and flex, point, 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 straighten that knee, watch your own knee, point, point, point and flex, are you watching your knee, point, point, point and flex, singles, point and flex, working those adductors, abductors, point, flex, inner thighs, outer thighs, up, down, one last time, point, flex, keep pulling your handles to the front, left leg goes back straight, point, back, flex it, center, are you pointing and flexing, point, back, flex it, center, point, look at your foot in the back, flex it, center, point, back, flex it, center, 1 back, 3 forward, back, forward, forward, keep your gaze on that big toe, point, flex, forward, forward, back, forward, maintain the shoulder over your elbow, back, forward, 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 3 back, 1 forward, back, back, back and forward, point, point, point and flex, back, back, back and forward, back, back, back and forward, singles, 4 straight leg moves, forward, 3, forward, 2, forward, and that's it, forward. Alright, put your tube to the side. Oh yeah, you're not going to do it for a few more days at least. So get your right arm across the chest, sitting up tall. So you just hug your right arm, you look like this, and you take it up. I'm doing same as you, my right arm, you do your right arm. Just stretching this biceps to triceps. And relax, let go. Get your left arm across the chest, hug it in. Then you push your left elbow up, stretching your tricep. Keep your back straight, legs straight, feet flexed in the front. And extend your both arms overhead, reach up, add this forward fold with your exhale. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings, out of active work with the legs, arms. See where you are feeling this. For a second, elongate your trunk, don't round. Elongate and go deeper. Looking ahead, go deeper and deeper. Wherever you reach is fine, breathe. Then again, raise your arms. If you are not at the front end of your mat, scoot all the way forward. And then start going down, lower back, middle back, upper back. In that order, once you're all the way down, extend your arms and legs. Get that full body stretch. Point your toes and fingertips away from the center. Flex your feet, flex your wrists, separate your toes, your fingers, make your ankle and wrist rotations. Circle your feet and fists 3 times one way, 3 times the other way. Let your feet fall off to the corners of the mat. Bring your hands down by your hips, about 8 inches away from your hips. Fingers curl up towards the sky. Nod your head up and down like you're saying yes. And roll your head side to side like you're saying no. Release tension from your neck. Rest your head comfortably in the center. With your eyes closed, starting at the top of your head, establish your intention to relax. Make it a conscious process of letting go of all the thoughts, worries, desires, emotions, stress. Move your awareness through physical body, one body part at a time, making sure each and every body part is relaxed. Relax your forehead, let go of the wrinkles. Soften your eyebrows, space between eyebrows, eyes, nostrils, mouth. Put a little smile in your lips. Relax your chin, neck and throat. Soften your shoulders, upper arms, elbows, forearms, palms, fingers and fingertips. Keep your breathing deep, even, slow, quiet, without pauses, without jerks, through your nostrils only. And slowly bring your awareness back up. Relax your fingers, palms, wrists, elbows, upper arms, underarms, shoulders. Lot of work today with the shoulders, arms. If there is any tension lingering anywhere, visualize it melting away with your exhale. Re-energize that area with your inhale. Invoke the presence of inner healer through your breath. Relax your chest, upper back, lower back, stomach, hips and glutes, thighs, hamstrings, knees, backs of your knees, shin bones, calf muscles, ankles, feet and your toes. Complete relaxation, you, your mind and body in total union through your breathing. Practice this union of mind, body, and breath wherever you are, whatever you are doing. That is your yoga practice throughout your day. Don't keep it restricted to this place, this day, this time, this hour. Slowly bring your awareness back up. Relax your toes, heels, ankles, shin bones, calf muscles, knees, backs of your knees, thighs, hamstrings, hips and glutes, stomach, lower back, upper back. Relax your chest, your shoulders, neck and throat. Soften your facial muscles, chin, cheeks, jaws, eyes, eyebrows, space between eyebrows, forehead, and the top of your head. Keeping your awareness there, gently bring your knees in your chest, one at a time, no rush, no jerks. Hug your knees, wiggle your toes, awaken yourself from that relaxed state. Gently rock your body forward and back, roll it side to side. Make knee circles in each direction, alternate moves at your own pace, front and back, side to side, circling, whichever feels right for you, or open your legs in a big straddle or a happy baby. I thank you all for joining in this practice. Please thank yourself and everybody here for taking this time out to be here, for sharing positive energy and your practice with everybody. Please join me in sending our goodwill out to the world. May there be peace, happiness, health, love, laughter and freedom to enjoy it all for everybody, everywhere. Roll gently to your right, then to your left. From your left, come up to the sitting upright position and sit upon your block. We'll practice our alternate nostril breathing. Right thumb to the right nostril, right index finger, middle finger between your two eyebrows. Left nostril is open, sit up tall. Exhale through the left nostril, draw the stomach in. This time you're going to add a pause to this. So close the left nostril with your right ring finger and hold the breath outside. Then open the left nostril, inhale. Again close the left nostril, keep the breath inside. Then open the right nostril, exhale first. And close the right nostril, keeping your breath outside. So we are adding a pause after each exhale, each inhale. Open your right, inhale. Close the right with your thumb, keep the breath inside. Open the left nostril, exhale first, draw the stomach in. Keeping your breath outside, close your left nostril. Open your left, inhale. Close the left nostril, hold the breath inside. Open your right nostril, exhale. Keeping your breath outside, close the right nostril. Using right thumb for the right nostril and right ring finger for the left nostril. Open the right, inhale. Close the right nostril, keep the breath inside. Open left, exhale. Keeping breath outside, close the left nostril. Inhale through left. Close left, keep the breath inside. Open the right, exhale. Close the right nostril, keeping the breath outside. Inhale through your right. Close the right nostril, holding the breath in. And relax, let go. At home, if you're practicing, you may do it more times, 10 times in each round, and maybe 2 rounds each day if you can, morning and evening. Index fingers, thumbs together, palms facing the sky. Let your palms rest in your lap, eyes closed, gaze between eyebrows. Awareness either at your diaphragm or your nostrils or your navel center. Wherever you see your breath, just follow your breath in and out. If there are thoughts, let them come and go. Just be with your breath. By definition, as soon as you're aware of your thought, the thought has left you and you have your awareness. So keep coming back to this awareness. If you are being bothered by your thoughts, let them come and go. You just observe, not fighting, not hiding anything. Acknowledge and release. Whenever you are ready to finish this practice, bring your hands behind you, interlace your fingers in the back. Exhale, bow down to Mother Earth for all the kindness. Inhale as you come up to thank the sun for the energy and the light. One more exhale down, being thankful for everything we have and everything we don't have. Inhale up. One last exhale down in gesture of a yogi. Forgive as you go down, forget as you come up. And we are done. Namaste. Thank you so much. And let's do our laughter. Just sit comfortably, throw the arms up in the air in all directions and laugh it out. Take a deep breath in. Lot of tension in your arms, shoulders, so just let it all out. Loosen limber. Just shake it out. Whatever tension you are holding, let it out. Stay there just a bit longer. Keep that smile in your face. Keep expressing your inner joy for no reason on the outside. Stay happy, healthy, kind, be well. Take care of yourself, love yourself, appreciate yourself, extend it to others. Now we are done. Namaste. Have a great time ahead. Feel free to share your thoughts, feedback. Hey.
You torture.
Torture.
My God.
Remember?
Actually, it was like cutting in my, the foot, but I think it's all practice, right? And then rubber band, it keeps coming back. It just snaps off and it
Yeah, so you have to keep it steady underneath your feet. You have to engage your core, and again, it's a matter of practice. So if the tube is snapping up on you, you have to literally keep it under the arches of your feet. That's why I said don't keep it by your toes. It should be by the arches of your feet.
Okay.
And again, you can always drop the tube for one set and then pick it up another set. You have to learn to modify and slowly get used to it because it's something new that you did today. So, and remember, pain is optional in this class. You don't have to suffer if you don't feel like. What is not optional is your breathing. So you have to keep breathing, and everything else is optional. Just modify, drop it, do just the arm, do just the legs, and you're still working it out.
It's good. Only when you feel you're working out, you're getting the...
Right. Alright. So yes, Okay, excellent. Namaste. Thank you. Keep practicing.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good day.
Thank you.